So I call it right there.
Okay.
You can
Gonna hold it.
pan it on me real quick. I'll change it. I'll edit it
Right,
out.
right.
Okay, so got the drill and then
Drilling this shit.
here we go. So I don't know what I'm just gonna, I don't know. Just see what happens. Yep.
Should catch it on the lip and then like.
A little bit harder than it looks, or whatever that saying is.
Stop.
Yeah.
Put it in the hole and then catch it on the lip like that, and then start shaving away at the sides. That works. Yeah, got that insulation. Delicious.
Probably not the proper way, but I don't care what you guys say.
That
Whatever
rhymed.
gets the job done.
Going prone, son.
Yeah, I don't know why that piece of shit keeps falling off.
Because it's just that. It's a piece of shit.
I think that's gonna be good.
Yeah, let's try it.
Oh yeah, we're gonna try it. So yeah, just stay with us.
That's what I was talking, like, you know.
Yeah, and whatever you guys say. That drill bit's probably not meant for metal, but whatever though. Yeah, the hole's good size, so I'm just gonna continue doing this stuff. So after, I don't know, what would you say, an hour or two?
About.
Yeah. Ran the 0 gauge, got that hole drilled. I think I did a good job. It goes behind. Well, I mean, you're gonna see a little bit of it, but it goes behind everything. I have it going down like this, and then just on one on each side so it doesn't get cramped up. Pops up right there. And still debating on what side to keep the battery on. The reason why it's so long over here is in case if I want to put it over there, the wires are fine over there. But yeah, that's pretty much it so far.
Break free.
Thief.
Dude, he's going for it.
Yeah, that's pretty much it so far. Still putting everything together, but I think I will have everything done by either tomorrow or Friday. So just gotta cut this wire. But yeah, that's it so far.